Welcome to this guide on upgrading your Canvas course content using the Cidi Labs DesignPLUS upgrade tool. This process ensures your course is fully compatible with the new DesignPLUS sidebar, giving you access to enhanced editing and styling features. It is important to note that upgrading your content using the upgrade tool is only necessary if you plan to edit or stylize legacy content, that is, course content built prior to summer 2025, using the DesignPLUS toolbar. Again, using the upgrade tool is only necessary if you plan to edit or stylize legacy content using the DesignPLUS toolbar. If you work solely in the Canvas Rich Content Editor, you can skip this process entirely. This includes those who use our Reynolds Canvas templates. Even with the templates, you can still exclusively edit using the Rich Content Editor. However, it's the moment you want to edit or stylize legacy content with the new DesignPLUS toolbar, you'll need to make sure that that legacy content is upgraded. That's what this tutorial will walk you through, and that's what the upgrade tool will do for you. The good news is that any courses built starting summer of 2025 will already be upgraded for you, so no upgrade is needed. Additionally, you will receive a notification in the new DesignPLUS toolbar if it detects any legacy content. Again, content built prior to summer 2025. However, when in doubt, please reach out to us at cedal@canvas@reynolds.edu for assistance. We'd be happy to answer any questions or concerns you have, or schedule a one-on-one walkthrough with you through the process. To run the upgrade tool on your entire Canvas course, navigate to the Settings navigation link in your course. From the Settings page, you should see the DesignPLUS toolbar slide out from the right side of the page, or a red rocket ship appear. Click that. Then click on the Course Upgrade button and click Scan Course. DesignPLUS will then review all of your content and give you a scan result of all the content needed to upgrade. In this case, we see we have 22 pages, 4 assignments, 7 discussions, and 1 syllabus, totaling 34 total legacy content items that need to be upgraded with the tool. Click Review Items, and then one by one you can advance through each content page, review them, and upgrade them or edit manually if you need to. So for example, if I come down to my Canvas Essentials overview and click Review Item, I'm presented the upgrade content in the first tab, which I can review and make sure everything looks good. And I can compare it to the original content as legacy, right? Side by side, slight differences. So as long as your upgraded content looks good and nothing seems out of place, you can approve the upgrade by clicking the green button above. You can also edit in a new tab if you needed to make some manual edits, report a problem, or you could skip that entirely and go to the next one. So I will approve this upgrade and then go on to the next one. And once all of your legacy items have been upgraded, you can scan the course again and confirm there are no items containing legacy content in this course, and you're free to edit your course using the DesignPLUS tools. In the case you forgot to use the upgrade tool on your entire course, you'll also be prompted while editing a page with the design tools to upgrade any legacy content that the tools detect. Let me show you. After clicking Edit on a legacy content page, you'll notice a little pop-up in the lower right-hand corner notifying me of 8 legacy elements that were found on the page. You'll also find a notification under the Accessibility and Usability icon at the top of the toolbar, with another notification here on the Upgrade button with the number 8. Both those buttons will take you to the Upgrade tool, where then you can do a scan or upgrade all items. We'll go ahead and run the upgrade. And just like that, no more issues were detected. And I can save my page. And now my legacy page is ready for any new edits with the tool. If there were any significant formatting issues on any of your pages after you completed the upgrade, you'll need to adjust those now. While working through any manual edits, we recommend saving your work often, especially if you're addressing multiple issues. Think of the Save button as capturing a snapshot of your progress. Each time you save, you're creating a saved state of your edits. This practice helps minimize the risk of losing work and allows you to revert to a previous version if needed. This is a good habit to maintain whenever you're editing course content in Canvas, whether you're using the DesignPLUS toolbar or not. If you're copying content from a course created prior to summer 2025, the upgrade tool is required to maintain full compatibility with the new DesignPLUS features. But again, only if you plan to use the DesignPLUS toolbar to edit or stylize content. If you only use the Canvas Rich Content Editor, then you do not need to upgrade your course content. Upgrading your content ensures a smooth, enhanced editing experience with the DesignPLUS sidebar. More information and resources about the upgrade tool and the DesignPLUS sidebar features can be found in the video description below. As always, if you encounter any issues, reach out to us at Cidi for support at canvas@reynolds.edu or 804-523-5612 during regular business hours.